Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who encounter AI manga filter not working and couldn't load stickers error in TikTok. This error, usually the damage or defect in the application cache, causes us to encounter various errors like this. Of course, we may encounter such an error not only because of this problem, but also because of many other problems. For this, we will try to solve the problem by telling you a few suggestions. Before we show you solutions, we will briefly talk about the forum. You can forward various errors you encounter to the community on the forum portal we have opened. For this, if your problem continues or if you encounter a different problem, you can get a quick response by sharing it on the forum portal. We care about your questions and suggestions. Any cache problem in the TikTok application can cause us to encounter such errors. For this, we can eliminate the problem by clearing the data in cache. To do this, go to the Settings menu and click on the Applications option. After this process, click on TikTok. Then click on the Storage option to clear the data and cache. After the cleaning process is complete, you can open the TikTok application and check if the problem persists. If you are using an iPhone, you can clear the cache by following the step in the article. If the application is out of date, it may cause some features to be disabled or not visible. For this, you can check whether the TikTok application is up to date on Google Play or the App Store. Incorrect installation or damage of the application can cause you to encounter various problems like this. For this, reinstall the TikTok application by deleting it and check if the problem persists. Various problems in the new update of the application may cause us to encounter such errors. For this, we can check if the problem persists by installing the old version of the TikTok application. To download the old version, click the link in the article and perform the download. After the download is complete, let's delete the installed TikTok application and install the app application we downloaded by accessing the File Explorer. After the installation process is complete, you can check if the problem persists by running the TikTok application. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix TikTok AI manga filter not working and couldn't load stickers error. If you are encountering various errors, you can reach the community with your questions by accessing the forum portal we have opened. By supporting us, we can expand our community. Thank you.